Hello guys. Here I have a Lenovo motherboard. It's not turning on at all, so I want to share with you while I'm fixing this board. I'm gonna be quick as possible. So the first thing here with this board, there's a short into ground on the 19 volt. There's a short, so I checked on the current sensor. Let me show you. Okay, so we have a short here. Okay, this is a current sensor. Here we have a short to ground. This is the first MOSFET, and then this is the second MOSFET. And on the output of the second MOSFET, we have a short to ground on the 19 volt. So this is how it flows. You check the 19 volt on the first MOSFET, you go on the second MOSFET, then you check the output on the current sensor. So you saw my current sensor there. Let's go ahead, let's see. So since there's a short on the 19 volt, the first thing that I normally like to do, I like to go through the board to use my own eyes to look for a shorted capacitor. But here, I believe maybe the issue, it's not on the cap. Maybe the short is coming from the MOSFET. Since I believe that the short might be coming from the MOSFET, so what I'm gonna do, okay, let's give it a try one more time. Let me check for any shorted capacitors. You can see them, you can spot them. Okay, so this is what I normally like to do. Let's okay, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna separate all the power supplies to a CPU. I'm gonna separate them. Sorry? Oh, to P. Oh, you can go in on top here. Take the stairs, and there's a house. The door here. You'll open the part like that, and then you go. It goes straight inside the house. So, Posha, alam mo, what? That's it. I don't think so. Okay, guys, let's separate the CPU power supplies. So this is how you do it. It's locked. Oh, oh, nice, nice, nice. Then it's fine then. Oh yes, ilokhuzane ifoni right i-J4. A5 not i-J4. A5 yibo A5 man. Oh, le screen. Oh, ilana kuthina umke la kuthina reserve hills. Yeah, sharp. Nethawa la kuthina, nethawa la kuthina. All right, guys. So what I've done here, I've separated the power rails. So let's inject the 19 volts. Okay, guys. So now we have two wires. We have the 19 volts. Let me just remove the charging port so that you can see. We're not using a port, but we'll be injecting the 19 volt right there. You limit your current a little bit. Now let's see what is getting hot. The shot is taking 1.6 amps. Let's see. Remove this. Okay, the problem is here. Okay, the issue is right here, guys. Something here is getting hot. Let's see. Ah, no, it's not a CPU. Done.
Will you be able to fix it?
Ah, yes. So far, it seems like it's something that you can do easily. Alright, guys, the shot is right here. Let's see. Something around here is getting hot. Imagine I didn't see this capacitor right there in front of me. So the issue here, I'm telling you because I'm used to this. This cap here, this one here is the one causing this. You can see by look, it's tracked and it doesn't look good. So that cap there is the one causing a short. Let me repeat again. This cap here is the one causing a problem. I'm used to this. I've done this 1,000 times. So that cap there is the one faulty. Observe. You see, the one taking alcohol. Check there. Yeah, but we need to remove that cap and we'll be fine. No, it's YouTube. Yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video.
Oh.
No, you can talk. It's fine. Yeah,
Would I be able to?
it's done anyway.
Huh?
It's done anyway. I'm done.
Fix it?
Yeah, it's done. Now I need to test it. That's all.
Because I'm gonna go pick up my son. How long do you think? Okay.
No, I'm done now. Like 15 minutes. I'm done.
Okay.
Even less. Yeah, I'm
Oh.
done. Yeah. All right, guys. So let's zip it up now. Done. I'm done. Let's check for a shot one more time on the current sensor. We have a shot. Then on the meter. There is no shot. Wait. There is no shot. So you put it into out mode. If you have like 400 or something. We have 229. That's fine. I believe so. Let's remove the wires, the port. Put back everything the way it was, and let's test the machine. Remove the ground. Yeah, boy. Start removing the ground. Let's put back the pads the way they were. Remember, I disconnected the pads from the CPU. David, that guy there, the one you said they broke into his store, right? Yeah, I went to him to look for a thing, a cover for a daily. He said he knows the cover I'm looking for. Imagine I looked the whole town, I couldn't find anyone who can send me that cover. But that guy, he said he does have the cover. I should come today at 10. He said he knows that machine, so he said he sure he does have the cover. And he said everything, including the fan, is gonna pay for 50. I was like, damn, so cheap. But when I checked online, that thing was 1 point something, like almost close to 2K. And I was willing to pay the 2K because I needed my laptop, man. You know that there with a fingerprint. Hey, that machine is nice, bro. Okay, that was not a reflow. Don't get confused. That was just to warm up the board because I was using alcohol. So let's put this. Goes like this. Okay, wait. Yep. So let's see. Oh, sorry guys, the charger uh, not been connected, so that's why we need to connect the charger. Okay, the charger has been connected, so now let's see. Repeats again. Oh, there we go. We have a light and the fan spinning, and we do have a display. The machine is working 100%, but we have two lines on the screen. Oh, okay. The client is saying the lines are normal. All right. But the board is now working 100%. I need to put back everything. I'll see you next time, guys. Please, bye bye. Before you go, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Bye.